Okay guys, welcome to Tanya's Tasteful Table, where we live tastefully for less. And today I'm in Burlington and I'm trying to find an outfit for $60 and under. I need to get a purse, bottom, top, and some shoes. Something casual for my birthday. My mom started this when I was young. On my birthday, she would just give me money and just say, go shopping, get what you need. So that's what I'm gonna do. So let's see. These are kind of cute. I need something comfy. Go through these. These are some bottoms. This is a decent top. These were like I think I'm done over here. Let's see. I'll take you down the road. Let me show you guys these shirts. This is so cute. I won't wear white. To the shoes. Took a detour. I didn't want to catch any but one on camera. I got, I like, but they weren't reduced. They were $30. Perfect heel. In black with a little bling that fits the bill, $12.99. There's another pair. Now I really like these. I like the tan. I like the clear. The heel isn't too bad. It's too much. I'm not gonna wear them a lot. Like just on vacation or something. Alright, let's keep moving. Similar to these in the little tall part. I tore it off. Don't need a new pair. Compromise. I'll get some flats, clear. Maybe. I'm a big fan of BB and then GC sometimes. guys, stay tuned to see what I get for under $60. All right. Okay, family. Here's what I got with my $60 budget from Burlington. This is my birthday outfit. I only wear black, but here's a beautiful shirt that I got. It was simple, but I liked it because of the sleeves here, the mesh sleeves here. It has like some velvet dots on it, and it has an opening on the side. And I'm very busty, so I don't like a lot going on in the front, but I love interesting sleeves. So I got this shirt here, and you can jazz it up. You can look classy and dressy with it, or you can dress it down. And it came up to $11.99. And over here, I just got some basic black joggers. And very soft, cool. You can wear these year round. And they have pockets in them. And very, very nice. Here are the bottoms of them. And the price on these were $9.99. $9.99. And here are the slides that I got. These are Jones of New York. And like I said, since I wear black, I need some type of interest, some type of bling. So I like that these were patent leather, and they have the gold chains on them. So, you know, I could just wear them with jeans, and you could just wear a little skirt with it. So, you know, I like these because they're versatile. And these were $12.99. I love them. And then the purse, I settled on this purse. I love it. So, you know, it's all year long. You can wear it, you know, winter, spring, summer. And has that designer look without the designer price. And it came with a wristlet or a wallet. I already have my stuff in this purse and the wallet, and I love it. And I love how the handle is it's a nice size handle, and the brass accents on there. It's really cute. And so this was most of my $60 budget. This was $27.99. So $28, that was almost half the budget, but I expected that. Okay, so just wanted to share that with you. You know, when you shop in tastefully, I think all these items are very tasteful, and I'm still able to get something that I will actually wear on a budget, and still have some birthday money left over, Okay, so just wanted to share that with you guys. Thank you so much. You guys are awesome. Love my tastemakers. And like this video, comment, make any comments, share it, and hit the subscribe. If you like my vibe, hit subscribe, and then you'll be a part of the Tastemakers tribe, okay? Thank you guys. Bye. Bye, Mom.